Your company has dozens of sites and you're looking into SD-WAN. Maybe you're coming off of an MPLS network that's overpriced and outdated, or maybe you just want to add SD-WAN for cloud PBX or video applications. But you're wondering, if we go with SD-WAN, do we have to or should we get it at every single site? Is that a necessity with SD-WAN? Well, my answer to that is no for the most part. Now, if you're talking about an on-prem only solution, as you might have heard me reference in the video I did on the 3 types of SD-WAN architecture, if you're an on-prem only solution, you might have to get it at most of your sites or all of your sites. But with cloud-enabled SD-WAN solutions, you do not have to get it at every single site. You can get it at most of your sites or some of your sites or a few of your sites. It really doesn't matter. It just depends on your needs. So for instance, a lot of companies will say like, hey, our large locations need SD-WAN because we have a lot of people there and we want to make sure that they have great call quality at all times. We want to have a lot of redundancy there. We want to have a lot of assurances there for redundancy and call quality. So yeah, SD-WAN, great fit. We have 3 different internet connections it can use. Great fit for that site. And then we have this site with a bad internet connection. We've got this one site, there's only one internet provider available and they're kind of shaky. And we want SD-WAN there to really improve the packet loss and jitter from the internet connection we have at that site. So maybe SD-WAN's a great fit at that location. But maybe you have another location that only has like 5 people, they have fantastic internet there, and there really isn't a whole lot of need for SD-WAN. They're really small, they have great internet already, there isn't a whole lot of need for uptime because everybody has cell phones at that site. Well, that site can actually VPN into the SD-WAN provider's network. So you don't have to have an SD-WAN appliance at that site. They can actually VPN into your SD-WAN network. So you do not have to have SD-WAN at every single site. And in a lot of cases, it's just not necessary. Although there are some companies who have SD-WAN at every single site, even though they have hundreds of sites, because they have a reason for that. Maybe they have cloud PBX deployed at every single site, and they just want that visibility. So it's really up to you, but I just want you to know it's not a necessity, and I wanted to answer that question for you. So if you want to know which SD-WAN vendors are the best fit for your company's specific needs, don't Google it, just contact me. I'm a broker for all the major SD-WAN service providers, and I know them inside and out. I've been doing this for a long time, nearly 20 years. So if you call me, I'll ask you a few questions and I'll pair you up with a good 3 or 4 vendors, get you demos with those vendors, get you quotes, explain why I think they might be the best fit, and it'll save you a ton of time. And the best thing is those service providers pay our company our broker fee. So your company doesn't have to pay us anything. There's no reason not to reach out and ask me my opinion on this stuff. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please click the like button down below and I'll catch you on the next one.